Hello, this is Brian back with the Fetch.ai video. I gotta be honest, this is one of the most bullish looking coins I am seeing right now. This thing looks looks ready to go. I mean, this is on the weekly. You know, if you take this thing, this looks like a bull flag to me. You know, you got your pole and your flag. That's what that definitely looks like to me. This thing is looking very, very good. Okay, we're going to go through the technicals here. You can see down at the bottom down there all the volume coming in down there, right down here. I mean, there's a pile of volume down there, especially when we hit this lower end here on the weekly. That one big candle there, 1.545 billion FET bought up right there. You know, look at all this green through here. So a lot of buyers coming in down here. This thing's looking fantastic. All right, and we'll jump back into this in a second. Okay, first I want to show you guys a couple other things. I want to show you this Bitcoin chart. All right, because this all ties in back together. Okay, whoops, I apologize about that. Let me get rid of that. First off, I want to put Bitcoin on a daily and show you guys something real quick that I kind of caught this yesterday. I made a Bitcoin video about it, but you see any similarities between these two right here? Okay, they say price action repeats itself. I mean, if you go back enough through all this stuff, you'll find it. Okay, but right here, if we take this move right here, okay, we bring this up to this area. Okay, obviously we got to squeeze that just a little bit. There we go. Sure looks about the same, don't it? I mean, pretty similar anyway. This big fall that we had right there, that was when they sold that $16 million Bitcoin on Binance. So that might have played out a little bit different, you know. If this would be playing to this, would be in this area right down here right now. So and it would make perfect sense because you know, a lot of people out there talking how Bitcoin had this breakout right here, okay, and it never came back and back tested. Okay, it finally did, and then it blasted off. All right, that would make total sense. You know, if we go through this thing real quick, Bitcoin came up here, made the higher high, had our dip, made the next higher high, then rolled over, and then rolled over right here. Okay, so it is very similar. Okay, and if it does end up playing out, it would be perfect because we would get that back test of that 25,000 area, and then we would get our blast off. So I thought that was pretty. Nobody out there has talked about that, but definitely looks very, very similar. Okay, then we have this falling DXY, the falling dollar. Okay, today it's having a little bit of a rally, but if you look at that daily RSI on that thing, I mean, it is right at the top. Okay, and I've covered this in a few other videos. All right, this long-standing support line that it had here, you know, it rode up, it fell through that, back tested it now as resistance, and it's rolling over. Looks like a 5-wave Elliott wave right down through here. Okay, if we invert this chart, if I hit the invert, now it looks like a perfect breakout. Okay, you have your breakout of resistance, your back test, and your continuation. All right, so this thing is definitely, you know, looking like it wants to roll over, especially on that daily. You know, every single time when that daily gets to the top, you know, you can see what's happened. It's rolled over. You know, you have a rollover pretty much every single time you get to the top of these dailies. They go down to reset. So that thing is inverted. We got to flip that back over. There we go. Now you can see. Okay, but yeah, so that is every time Bitcoin has had a run, or the altcoins have had a run, we've had a falling dollar. Okay, so let's get back here to Fetch. First off, I want to go through these crypto bubbles. This is on the daily chart. Got a lot of stuff flipping green now. And if you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button. I would appreciate that very much, guys. Gonna do another giveaway at the end of this month, and all you have to do to enter is be a subscriber. We gave away 188 last month. Not sure what we're going to do yet, kind of debating back and forth here, but here is for the hourly. Wow, there were a lot of stuff turning green, and big time, you know. This is for the hour. You got stuff up 3. A lot of these daily RSIs are reset on a lot of these coins, you know. Expect a move here sometime, you know. You can't rush it. Nobody knows when it's coming, but I expect a move to be happening here. Let's hit reload since we've had all this stuff flip green and see if this has changed much. Yeah. Market cap is up 1.29% now. Volume's down 5.79% over 24 hours. Bitcoin dominance is up 0.68%, but that thing is running into some severe resistance. You want to see that dropping so the other coins, the altcoins, can get more of the market share. The crypto fair grade indicators at a 53. That's what we were at yesterday. We were at a 63 last week. Still in the green though. There's your top 100 cryptos from CoinMarketCap. Let's go down through here. I'm going to reload that real quick too, since we had everything. You know, it happened pretty fast there. I just did another video and it didn't. They weren't up that much in the last hour. So you can see on the right hand side, a lot of that red's getting sucked up. Go down through here. Yeah, I just did an ApeCoin video a little bit ago. That thing's looking really good too. A lot of these coins looking really good, to be honest with you. A lot of these daily RSIs are getting reset, and that's fantastic. It really is. Look at that weekly for FET. Almost, it's just down at the bottom, just starting to turn. Look at it. Look, that's beautiful. You know, that is what. That's where the big moves come in. When that weekly gets reset, that's gorgeous. You know, that's what we want to see, okay? But we got our daily down at the bottom. It has flipped bullish. It had the crossover down there, okay? And you can see what has happened the last few times. This daily has flipped bullish. There's a 37% move. This one back here was 61% move, okay? And you know, you had in here from here to the top was 36%. Then you had this massive move here. You know, that was up there 136%. So you can see when that daily gets reset, it moves. With the market moves. Okay, this thing is looking fantastic. All right, looks like we have resistance line in here. Okay, it actually, there we go. That is where it's at, right there. And looks like I'm even gonna put one down there because that's what we need to break out of there. Okay, now if we go through we got the daily down at the bottom, the weekly down at the bottom. Where's the 12? The 12 is at the bottom. That's perfect. All 3 of your higher time frames are at the bottom. So this thing looks great, guys. I gotta tell you, especially with all the volume coming in down there, right down there. That looks right down here. All that green coming in down there. That looks beautiful. That's what you want to see in the market here. I mean, this thing is looks finally ready to go. We've been waiting, calling for this, and that definitely looks like a bull flag to me, which is beautiful. You know, if we get the breakout above that, we got a massive move coming. I mean, we haven't even really had much of a retrace yet for this thing. You know, we came up through the 618 there, just one time we poked up through there. You know, they say rounded bottoms pay the bills. You know, in the weekly, look at the rounded bottom on this thing. Almost looks like a cup and handle forming. Sure does. Didn't even, quite honestly, didn't even really notice that, but that definitely looks like a cup and handle pattern forming on that thing. Wish I apologize. I wish I could find what I want for that, but you can see it. Let me grab my highlighter here. That'll work. You can see the cup and then our handle forming right there. I mean, yeah, This looks beautiful. Definitely, I definitely see this thing making a move real soon. So thank you so much, guys. Please hit that like and subscribe button. I would very much appreciate that. And God bless all you. I hope you all have a great night. Thank you for giving me any of your time to watch my video. I very much appreciate it.